Day 5 of an business series. So in this video we can see how you can make a $5,000 per month by using this business idea. So let's get started. Hey, hi, I'm Vaibhav. I'm an AI consultant. We actually share the information about artificial intelligence and latest AI news. So let's get started. The today's business idea, you can create a PPTs and presentation and you can sell it on the fiverr.com and Upwork. Okay, so that's very interesting. Also, you can use a Contra. It is a commission free platform, so that's very effective for you also. The first step it is we can use first of all some tools, AI tools for presentation and PPT. So first tool we can use it is on Gamma.ai. Okay, so you can search on browser Gamma.ai. Yeah, so this is the website. Yeah. So first, if you are a new user, you can sign up for this. I am not a new user for this. I'm using this tool. It is very effective for me. Yeah. So and log in. Yeah. It takes some time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So you can give a prompt, like you can also add a text. So yeah, so I can show you. Yeah. So you can click on this, create new. Yeah, so here are the three option. Okay, so first one it is an paste in text, create from notes and outline or existing content. So if you are having an content, that content you wanted to add and break down in the PDF form, so you can use this for format or this option. Second one is an it is an generate prompt. Okay, so create from a one line prompt in the few seconds. So if you want to create a PPT on AI, so you can also give a prompt like in this option, like I wanted to create a PPT in the on the artificial intelligence, so it can generate. Okay, so in the short period of time and short prompt. Okay, so that's interesting. The third one it is, and you can also import the files and enhance that documentation and PPT. So if you are having that PPT and you wanted to add the images in that PPT, so you can use this option. So we can use this option, it is a generate option. So you can, because in this option you can give a prompt, simple prompt. So I can write, give me write prompt on night. No, it is not like that. So write an PPT on artificial intelligence. Okay, so you can click on this generate outline. Yeah, so it give you the topics. Okay, so yeah, so we can use generating. You can click on generating, so it can generate usually, and it include the images and it look like an professional and high quality PPT. Okay, yeah, so it take 1 or 2 seconds. That's very interesting. It actually increase your productivity also. Yeah, yeah, so it actually give you the PPT form. Yeah, so it take, okay, so it actually very faster than the human efforts. So if I wanted to create the PPT, so it take around half an hour or 1 hour also. So it actually generating in the seconds or minutes. Okay, and it actually give you the high quality as compared to the human intervention. So if you wanted to create, or I wanted to create the PPT on the Word and ppt.com, so I can not get this kind of a quality, high quality of PPT. Okay, so that's, so yeah, so it is ready. So it take around 1 or 2 minutes. It's very faster. So yeah, so it is very high quality. So if you are seeing, like, we can see in the full screen format. Okay, yeah, yeah. So it is very, yeah. Okay, so you can see it actually give you the motion also in this PPT. So that's look like and very professional. So you can also use some other tools like it is in my mind like beautiful.ai. It is also the best tool to use for an PPT generation and presentation. Third one is, and you can also use design.ai. It is also provide the PPT or presentation by using an AI. That is an AI tool also. So that's very interesting. So you can generate a PPT. You can also create the gigs on the fiverr.com. Okay, so the second step, you can create a gig on the fiverr.com. So you can also give the case studies of your PPT, like you can generate from this AI tools, and you can upload on that gigs. So and also start updating that gigs every day, so that Fiverr get some information and update from you. Okay, so it can Fiverr actually rank your gig on their website. Okay, so that's very interesting. You can get a clients, and many of the people using this idea and generating lots of money. Okay, so that's the today's idea. So that's all. So the first step, I can summarize this. The first step, you can generate PPT and presentation on by using this AI tools, like this is the tool like gamma.ai. Also you can use a beautiful.ai, and also use design.ai. So you can get a PPT from this. You can upload. Second step, you can upload, or you can create gigs, and you can upload these PPTs, and you can getting the clients from Fiverr and Upwork also freelancing.com. So that's all for today. So if you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.